All right, guys and gals, it's me and Ev back to do another food review. Today we're going to review
Is this hot?
Taco Bell's Nacho Fries.
Is this hot?
Yeah, it's a little hot. We hear a lot about them on TV. We figured we'd give them a try. Right, tell them it's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, well here, we're going to try it out. They come with some nacho cheese on the side. What you think about that nacho cheese, man?
It's hot.
It's hot? Well, you haven't even tried it, man. They're like really orange. They're like seasoned up. You can tell. I'm gonna grab one. Ev, you wanna grab one?
Can you eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it. We're gonna dip it in cheese. You gonna make me eat it?
Ew, it's hot.
No, they're not hot.
Yes.
They're actually they're pretty good. Thank you. I appreciate that. You wanna try some? Here.
You try.
Here.
You try.
You wanna try it? I've already tried it, man. That's for you to try. He's gonna keep feeding them to me. They're pretty good. I mean, they've got like some kind of orange dust seasoning on them. It's all right. They're good, but I don't really get the whole like hubbub about them. 'Cause people apparently like lose their ever-loving minds over these things. They're basically just dipping fries in cheese sauce. Steak and shake cheese fries are good too. Everett, are you taking control of the camera?
I get me.
Cheese. So I give them, yeah, they're all right. Everett, what do you think about cheese fries, Ed?
I don't like it.
He doesn't like it. So there's your review on nacho fries.